Ahí se ve mejor.
Yeah. Well, we checking the ground from the 2015 Suburban. Trying to see this bitch gonna start. A ver si prende, porque chacho, man. Ojalá que sea eso el ground. Yeah, que solo las de cambié la batería, man. Y ahora no prende. Le queda un poquitito nada más de pintura.
¿Sí?
Yeah, porque tengo ahora el teléfono con la cámara cerca.
Okay.
Es como la esquinita de acá. Yeah, para esa esquinita mismito. Yeah, para ahí. Ahí mismito. Well, we're doing the ground now to see if it turned on, because I changed the battery now. The car don't want to start. And I got this mechanic right here. Now we checking the main ground, because the starter work, everything works. It said it's not giving no communication on the computer. So I hope it's the ground, man.
Ahora sí.
Now we're doing the background from the motor to see if that's what it is. No ground. And we did that ground right there. Scraped that motor because the motor is brand new, so it got great paint. So we're trying to see if it's all the grounds. So now we're on the back, on the firewall. I mean on the head, the back of the head. I'm hoping that's what it is.
Ahora sí. Tiene un chingo de pintura.
No. Scraping all the grounds from the firewall. I mean from the block. Ojalá que sea eso, que sea los ground. Well, we scraping the ground. Well, he's scraping it. He scraped the one right on the block, because this is a brand new motor, so it got paint all around. So we hoping it's that. And if it's not that, I'm assed out. That's the starter right there. The starter worked because it turns on. It's just they don't got no communication. Well, ain't what's in the negative wire. It still ain't doing nothing. Damn. Pues the scanner no le está dándole, no está cogiendo, ¿verdad?
Nada.
Chacho, esta guagua la llevé para el cementerio y de ahí para abajo no me quiso prender más nada. Parece que un muerto me la envidió. De verdad. This shit still ain't doing nothing. We did the ground wires and nothing. Shit. We've been here for like 2 hours. Shit. I took this truck to the cemetery now. The motherfucker got sick. My baby didn't want to go to the cemetery. I told you, my baby. You're my baby. I told you I wasn't gonna junk you. Huh? Girl, I ain't took you to the cemetery to kill you there, girl. You looking too sexy. Alright? Looking too sexy. We're scraping all the paint out of the frame. Out of the motor to get good ground. I'm hoping that's what it is, man. Ya se han hecho que 3 ground.
Uh-huh.
See, I'm hoping that's what it is, the ground, because all I did was replace the battery. Now this motherfucker don't want to start, man. Well, I can't say that. Baby, I'm sorry. Sorry for talking shit. Love you. No. That's my other sexy Suburbans.